What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine, back with another video. This video, I am going to invest $1,000 into the WeBull app. And this portfolio I'm gonna use for dividend income. So that's the whole purpose of this portfolio. This is a new portfolio I just got not too long ago, and I haven't used any of the money. I've received 2 free shares, a share of GE and a share of what is this, BIOS. Both of these are valued together at about $13.56. So I'm pretty nice to receive those free from WeBull just from opening up the account. If you guys don't have a WeBull account, there will be a link in the description. You'll get 2 free stocks with the link, and when you open a WeBull account, it's pretty cool. So this is my strategy for today. This is what I want to buy. I have $1,000 and I want to diversify it in these different stocks here. So let's go to the WeBull app and let's do some shopping here. Let's figure it out. Now, I don't exactly know how to use it, but it's very, very simple to use. You can just go up here, go to markets. We can just type in the first thing on the list, and the first thing on the list is VYM. Okay, then we're gonna click on it here. Now, first off, before I purchase any shares or anything, I do want to say, guys, this is not financial advice here. This is just me showing you guys how to use the WeBull app, and also look at this. I'm getting Robinhood notifications coming up as I'm talking about the WeBull app. But this is not financial advice. This is just me, a guy on YouTube, just buying stocks and just showing you guys how I'm buying stocks and just talking about why I'm doing this. So if you want to buy any of these, I would say do your own research, but yeah, feel free to continue watching the video. So I want to purchase VYM. Now this is Vanguard. This is a high dividend yield ETF, and this pays a monthly dividend. So this is one I would like to trade. Now when you want to buy an order, what you do is you just come over and just hit this quantity number. We're gonna get 3. So we're probably gonna go a little bit over the 250 mark, but we'll make it up with some of these other shares. Then we're gonna hit buy here. And okay, it's $268.89. So that's a little bit higher than 250, but like I say, we will we'll make it up with some of the other shares. Okay. So, okay, we just purchased those. Now we're just gonna come back out and purchase a few more. Okay. So the next one is T. Now this next one, you guys may have be familiar with this next one, but this is AT&T here. And AT&T is a little bit cheaper, and it pays a dividend as well. It doesn't pay a monthly dividend; it pays a dividend every quarter. So we're gonna go over to trade, and how many shares can we get? Whoa. Oh, this is pretty cool. You can even buy fractional shares. That's pretty nice. I think I'm just gonna stay with full shares. Whoa. I keep hitting this other button. Okay, about 6. Okay, 6 is $226. Okay, we'll do that. We'll get 6 shares of AT&T. Now 6 shares of AT&T, so that made up for the other one, the Wix there. Let's see. Now we're gonna go and type in LTC. LTC is a REIT, and it pays a dividend every month. So this is one I want to jump on. Now all 3 of these positions I want to have in about a year, over $1,000 in each one. Now there's next month I'll probably add 4 more dividend shares, and I'll do 250, 250, 250, and then I'll probably add maybe a total of 8 more. So I'll have 16 different dividend stocks in this account. This is sort of the goal, and then each one over $1,000 over the course of a year to really grow the dividends, and then also have the dividends reinvested back into the account so the account can continue to grow. Okay, so LC properties, we can get about 5 shares here, because these are about 100, no, 5. These are about $51. So a total of $58, yeah. So we'll be okay. Okay. And then now we're gonna go over and we're gonna get the last one, which is a Schwab REIT. Okay, that was a tongue twister a little bit. A Schwab REIT. So this one is right under $250, so I can get probably about 5 shares of this one too. Let's see if I have enough to get 5 shares. It's very different to purchase on WeBull. Yeah, so I think I can get 5 shares. Yeah, so this is $236. Okay. Now, not all of these orders are filled. I just noticed here. So I have a couple of these orders that are open. Yeah, the AT&T is not filled and the TNC is not filled. But it looks like the Schwabs are filled. Yeah. Okay, so let's go over to my account here. This is pretty cool. I just bought a bunch of new shares in another account. All right, okay, here we go. We have 2 that are already filled here. So we're waiting on the other 2 to fill. This is pretty cool. So this is how to invest with the WeBull app. This is, I like it. Then there's, you know, sort of the little social media feed here where people talk about certain things. People talking about how Tesla short sellers are getting squeezed. You know, I was gonna buy a Tesla with this account, but I have Tesla in literally like almost every other account that I have. And this account, I just wanted to make this account just dividends only. So there's the community, and then here's like some more market news here. There's even some crypto news over here. You know, there's a bunch of cryptos here. I mean, it's pretty cool. Let's see if these orders are filled yet, though. No, these orders are not filled. So what's going on is it's looking to buy these shares. So whenever someone's selling shares, someone is buying shares on the other end. And whenever someone is buying shares on the other end, someone's selling shares on the other end. So it's vice versa. So that's what's going on here. And I haven't really noticed this problem with Robinhood. I'm pretty sure Robinhood does the same exact thing. I just haven't noticed it because I guess WeBull just separates it in open orders and your positions. But this is one thing I haven't noticed on Robinhood. So I don't know how long this is gonna take to fill. This could take, you know, another 2 or 3 minutes, or this could take a couple hours, you know. And it really depends on the stock price because I have the stock price set at 38.23. So if the stock price rises higher than that, you know, this order won't be filled, you know. This is kind of another thing too. And I also noticed my risk level has just changed since I spent all of the money in this account here. So I wonder what's up with that. Now my risk level is at caution. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is the WeBull app. I still have 2 open orders, but this is just something that happens in the stock market. So like, you know, don't trip out about it. Okay, well, still got my open orders. I'm just gonna go ahead and just let it sit, and I'm sure they'll eventually fill. This is something that happens in the stock market every now and then, but this is the WeBull app. Thought I would make a video showing you guys how to buy and sell and how to use the WeBull app. It's very simple to use, and it's it looks to be very cool and very, you know, sophisticated looking. I like it. I like the whole official look versus Robinhood. Robinhood definitely has more of a basic look to it, and this has more of a official look to it. And looked like one of my orders just got filled here. So let's yep, looks like that was AT&T just got filled. So not bad, not bad. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, y'all.